Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss many of the key features related to industrial floor scales, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so in the past on our website and on this channel, we've discussed industrial floor scales for sale and the various types of weighing scales that are available. And you probably know that we like to break down the floor scale market into categories. In fact, I'll put a link to that topic in the description. Basically, with floor scales, typically the heavier and better built the platform structure is, the higher quality the scale is. Most imported floor scales tend to be lighter weight, which makes them less expensive to ship over from China. Ultimately, you as the buyer need to determine what kind of environment you're going to be using the freight scale and what the expectations are. For example, if you're weighing a few pallets every couple of hours, then a cheap 1,000-pound capacity scale might work just fine for your needs. However, if you're placing 5,000 or 6,000 pounds on a large platform scale every hour of every workday, then you might want to invest in an NTEP certified scale that is built tough and designed to handle that kind of abuse. Another popular subject that comes up often when discussing large floor scales is the question, do you have any used pallet scales for sale? Occasionally, you may find some used platform scales for sale, but generally speaking, with today's imported floor scale prices, you don't often find used industrial floor scales that will cost less money than a brand new imported floor scale. Last but not least, you need to think about everything else related to the scale system. For example, do you need portable floor scales? This can be accomplished by placing the platform scale inside a portability frame. Do you need a battery-powered platform scale? Do you want an LCD or LED weight indicator? Do you want a stainless steel weight indicator, or is a plastic enclosure okay? Do you want a ramp with your platform scale so that you can roll a pallet truck onto the scale platform? Do you need to add a label printer to your scale? As you can probably tell, it's going to be a really good idea to discuss what features you would like in an industrial floor scale with your staff. Then contact your trusted scale company to discuss what you would like, and they can assist you in determining what is available and the cost involved. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!